Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolás. I'm going to talk about my mystery story. Is that once upon a time when I lived on the outskirts of my town. Once afternoon, I was walking alone to the park. One of those an old friend arrived, and we talked for a long time. After so much talking, night came and it was very dark. I walked quickly because I felt that someone was following my step. I turned back and it was the neighbor's dog that was coming after. Then I told him, my friend, are you looking for where is your master? He just basked as is telling me he's at home. Then I go to the house and there was no one. Just the walls. I felt a chill all over my body. I don't know if it was very imagination, but I was very scared. I heard voices show how the house and different voices. Time sounded more peacefully and very fair were stronger. There was a moment I went around to my room. So, as not to listen to the voice that were disturbing me. At that moment, I called my mother and told her mother, I am afraid the house is alone. And her voice showed out the house. She told me, son, don't be afraid. It could be your imagination. I told her, no, mother, I am sure that there is something stronger. Here in my house, she told me it will not be the cats and dogs that are boring me. I began to think and say it cannot be my animals' voice. I went out into the hallway, and they were my co-workers who were heading to give me a hard time. I felt very calm when I found out that they were my friends who were in our house. Thank you, teacher, very much.